Hey there, Escambia County teachers. Let's get creative with Canva, our spooky edition. Join us for a tech tip in a flash with your IT professional learning team as we dive into Canva. Teachers, this tip is just for you. You can log in with your @ecsdfl.us account to access all of the premium features in Canva for free with Canva for Education. Students do need parent permission before they can get creative. If you're looking for an activity, you can start by searching Canva's templates. They have so many to choose from. Here from the Canva home screen, I'm going to search for our content. So we're going to go ahead and look for board games. I'll type that here in the search bar. And once it returns results, the first thing you're going to see are your designs, followed by all of the Canva templates from the Canva template library. If you're wanting to view a little bit more of these templates for the full screen, go ahead and click on See All. As you look through here the multitude of templates, you may not see something that immediately catches your eye, and you may want to revise your search. So if I'm looking for something for a little bit of the spooky season, I'm going to come up to the top and I'm going to modify my search by typing in Halloween. This will allow me to see more customized templates to the theme I'm looking for. Immediately, I can see a few things that catch my eye. So we have a lot of board game templates here. I can see game boards and game cards, things that more match my theme. I'm going to start here by looking at this first one, and as you're looking through, you can click on that little star to favorite these to come back to at a later time, or you can click on the 3 dots next to the template and be able to preview the entire template. So here I can see the game board, I can see that I can customize everything fully with the front and backs of cards as well. So I'm going to go ahead and customize this template to begin creating a fun, engaging activity for my students. The project then exists on multiple pages, and you can scroll through to select the page that you would like to edit. Starting from the game board, I'm going to see here that I can go ahead and add different elements if I'd like to. Once I can click on anything, I can pretty much see that it's all editable, maybe not the colors necessarily, but I can change it out by searching for different elements here on the left-hand side. So I can go ahead and type in an element theme, and I can see here that it categorizes it for me with different graphics. I can add a cobweb if I want to and change the color, drag and drop it to different areas on the screen. And if you want to quickly copy elements, just click on the element, click on the Option key, and then drag it to a different part of the page, like so. You can rotate the element quickly by clicking on the arrows once the element is selected and placing it in different parts of your design. If there are elements that you're not too fond of, you can quickly click them and delete and replace them with something that more fits your style. On the Elements tab, I can go ahead and choose and see all graphics if I want to, and it'll break it down into different categories for me depending on my original search. I can also search by photos or videos, or click up here to add more filters and search by a specific color or orientation until I find something that fits my theme. On the design bar, I can also click to add text by simply adding a text box, choosing one of these different types of text, or using one of the fun font combinations that Canva provides. If you're a little more artistic than me, you can choose to draw or even upload something if you don't find an element that fits your style. Back on our design, we're going to go ahead and scroll to page 2 so we can begin putting our content in on these cards. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly click into the cards, and I can copy and paste questions from my unit of study for the classroom. For this demonstration, I'm going to be utilizing stuff for the solar system. I can copy my questions over and have an activity that is ready to go and engaging for the students in this very distracting time of year. Once you are satisfied with your design, it's time to print and share. We can come up here to the share button in the top right corner, and then you're going to click on download. This will allow you to save your design, and we can save it as a PNG for quick picture printing. Once you will decide which pages you would like to select, you can go ahead and select page 1 if you're just wanting to print the board. Maybe you're wanting to change the settings on your computer to print pages 2 and 3 front and back, and then click on download. Design is now ready to go, a quick and easy, engaging activity. And that's another bite of tech. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to join us for our next Tech Tip in a Flash.